In this CapCut mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to create a donut style text animation that adds a playful circular motion to your text. Let's start from the beginning. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type in your caption or title. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font style that suits the donut animation. Rounded, bold, or playful fonts usually work best to enhance the circular motion. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Loop section and scroll until you find the donut animation. Apply it, and you'll instantly see your text moving in a circular, donut-like path on the screen. To fine-tune the animation speed, use the duration slider. Drag the slider to the left for a fast, energetic donut motion. Drag the slider to the right for a slower, smoother circular movement. Preview the animation and adjust the speed until it perfectly fits the mood of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a donut text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile editing tutorials.